Hi guys, hope you are doing amazing. So I have spoken about a lot of new products by L'Oreal Paris on my channel. So last month I talked about L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum with 1.5% hyaluronic acid, and as you can see, I am already done with this particular bottle. So now this is a regular part of my skincare regime and it has completely changed my skin's texture. It has made it so much plumper, smoother and bouncier. So I got very excited when I found out that L'Oreal Paris has introduced Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Fresh Mix Serum Mask. Now you must be wondering why this sheet mask is different from all the other sheet masks out there. So let me tell you, this will give you an experience of fresh hyaluronic acid sheet mask because this has two compartments. One has the dry sheet mask, the other compartment has the hyaluronic acid serum. This is a fresh mix sheet mask, which means whenever you have to use it, you will be freshly creating your own sheet mask by combining these two compartments. Now why they have hyaluronic acid in separate compartment? It's because the separate compartment preserves the freshness of the hyaluronic acid. So whenever you prepare your fresh sheet mask, fresh hyaluronic acid sheet mask, you will get the maximum benefit out of it. Isn't it really interesting? The dry sheet mask here is made of natural algae extract, which can absorb 20 times of its own weight, and which means it's going to absorb all the serum that you see here. So the liquid serum that you see here is a concentrated hyaluronic acid serum, which means you are going to get the maximum benefit out of it. So let's quickly talk about hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid naturally occurs in our skin. What it does, it actually holds 1000 times of its own weight in water, which means it draws out water or moisture from the environment and keeps and deposits back into your skin, keeping it hydrated, plump and glowing. But once you start aging, once you touch your 20s, the levels start depleting, and reducing levels of hyaluronic acid in your skin can cause dullness, dryness, dehydration, and it can also lead to fine lines and wrinkles, which is something we do not want. And that's when you really need to use hyaluronic acid topically, which is something all the dermatologists recommend. That's when hyaluronic acid serum and hyaluronic acid sheet mask come into the picture. So the sheet mask here is very light, very thin, and is quite breathable, fits nicely to my face and doesn't really drip down. So let me show you how to use L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Fresh Mix Serum Mask. All you have to do is flip the mask packet and read the instructions on the back. So you have to fold the sachet along the dotted lines on the back side. Now press the sachet until the seal breaks and releases the serum into the tissue mask compartment. Push all the serum through the opening into the tissue chamber, making sure the tissue becomes fully soaked. So then the last and the final step is open the sachet, apply the mask on your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, remove and gently massage the excess serum into the skin. Now I have included clips of before and after. You can very clearly see how dry and dull my skin looked in the first clip, in the before clip, and how hydrated, plump and juicy my skin looks in the after clip. So now you can really see an instant transformation here. Now I have used this sheet mask a couple of times and I can definitely see a gradual improvement in the skin's texture. My skin looks much more hydrated, plump, smoother and glowing. I would highly suggest you guys that on the top of your hyaluronic acid serum, apply this sheet mask at least twice to thrice a week to get your fresh boost of hyaluronic acid into your skin. So I will highly recommend you guys to check out L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Sheet Mask. This is a fresh mix. I really like the next gen revolutionary technology and the whole idea and concept behind this sheet mask. This is unlike any other sheet mask in the market, and the experience and the results are instant. So I'm going to link this product in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this review and demo video. If you did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.